Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. And to change the volume, firstly we need to locate touch areas, and touch areas located at the back side of the earbuds. Here it is, this gold one, this is a touch area. So to increase the volume, you need to press one time at the touch area on your right earbud. You just press on it, and as you can see at this widget, we increase the volume. To lower it, use your left earbud, and again just single press. And as you can see, I just lower the volume. Now, if you press on it and you cannot change the volume, I will show you how to fix it. You need to open SOUNDPEATS application, and then, of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application. If you don't know how, you can check a video at this channel. Then you go to the equalizer settings. Right here we have equalizer icon at the left bottom, and you have right here enable this line. So if this slider is colorful, just click on it one time and you will disable it, and now you can use a single press gestures. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!